All right, well, I would like to show everybody how to take a soil sample. Most people may not have a soil probe, but this is by far the easiest way to take a soil sample. And so it's just a matter of taking it, and the important thing is that you control the depth. Now this has a mark on it at 6 inches, and a lot of people will sample at 6 inches. I typically sample between 6 and 9 inches, but just a matter of picking out the area that you want to sample, pulling it out, and I'm happen to be right at 6 inches here, taking it and putting it in a designated bag. This is important. Now you can put it in a freezer bag if you don't have bags from the laboratory, but regular paper bags is not something that you want to just use because some of those may have contamination in the paper. So these are all pre-tested bags. And you want to get enough samples, composite sample. This is one sample. A composite sample is a number of samples that we want to be able to get at least 2 cups. So taking these and either putting them in the bag or putting them in a plastic bucket, stirring them up, pulling out 2 cups, and then putting in the bag to ship to the laboratory. Now, if you don't have a soil probe, you don't have to get excited. You can use a spade. Now, it's not as handy as that, but you can. And I've already pre-marked the spade with a piece of tape to 6 inches. So you can come in, get your sample. In this case, we're in sod, so I'm gonna just remove this. If you was in your garden, you just flip this thing over. We're gonna try to put this sod back. So now the way I want to sample is I want to come back on the back side and take about a ½ an inch to an inch down to my 6 inch mark. Pull that off, and this is what I would put in a bucket. And then and again, doing a number of samples and then crushing it up, stirring it up, and don't worry about things like roots or grass in there. The laboratory will separate that out. So take that, put it all in the bag, and ship it off.